When partners invest for unequal durations, cash alone no longer sets the profit split. Today you will multiply each investment by its months first, then divide profit in the parts of those products. By the end, you will list every investment and month row, form the products, reduce to parts, and catch the trap of splitting by cash alone. What changes is the months each investment works. Cash put in stays fixed once invested. Separate fixed from changing before you touch a number. That distinction decides the operation, multiply. Do not cancel unequal durations away. First move, 1 row per partner, investment, and months. Do not skip a partner whose cash looks obvious. Writing only the cash column is how the cash-only split sneaks back in. Now carry that idea forward. Form each investment times month's product before writing any comparison. The products are the weights. Until both products exist, you have no honest parts. Decision rule first. Reduce the product comparison to parts, then take part over sum times total profit. The cash-only split and the product split are no longer the same number when durations differ. That is compound partnership. List a 8,000 for 12 months and B rupee 12000 for 6 months. Form A's weight 8,000 times 12 equals 96000. A's weight equals 8,000 times 12 equals 96000. Finish B's weight. Reduce 96000, 72000 to 4, 3. Then divide rupee 4,200 as rupee 2,400 and rupee 1,800. A's weight equals 8,000 times 12 equals 96000. B's weight equals 12000 times 6 equals 72000. Parts 96000. 72000 equals 4, 3. A equals 4 divided by 7 times 4,200 equals rupee 2,400. B equals 3 divided by 7 times 4,200 equals rupee 1,800. Rupee 2,400 and rupee 1,800. The trap. B put in more cash, but takes the smaller claim. Months cut B's weight in half. The exam trap is simple. B put in more cash and still takes the smaller claim, because B's money worked for half as long. If your answer has the larger investment taking the larger claim on an unequal duration question, you probably split by cash alone. A invests 6,000 for 10 months and B invests rupee 9,000 for 5 months. Profit is rupee 3,500. A's claim is options. Rupee 2,000, rupee 1,400, rupee 1,750. The answer is rupee 2,000. We divide because weights are 6,000 times 10 equals 60000 and 9,000 times 5 equals 45000, so the parts are 4. 3 and A's claim is 4 by 7 times 3,500 equals rupee 2,000. Splitting by cash alone 2, 3 gives a 1,400. An even split gives rupee 1,750. The products, not the cash amounts, set the parts. Comment below with one thing that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. You can now recognize unequal durations, multiply investment by months first, then divide profit by the product parts. Subscribe for more SSC CGL Quant lessons in this series. Then open the ExamMaster app and drill partnership while this is fresh.